I'm gonna just try to polish them without sanding. See how it's gonna come out. Clean them first. Mask them off. Oh yeah.
9.5 liters, 11.9 US quarts. 4 quarts
Alright guys, so the brake lights on this Beamer don't work, none of them, and the bulbs are actually okay. So I got a brake light switch. I already diagnosed it, that's the problem. This is the panel that I had to take off from the driver's side. There's a couple connectors here. There's actually 3 screws, 1, 2 there, and there's 1 right there. 1 here actually, so no, three screws you have to remove, and then this thing comes out nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the problem. So panel, as you can see, there's those 2 connectors I was talking about. So that's the brake light switch right there. There's 4 wires going to it, but there's another way how you can see it's not okay. It's because, I'll try to show you. So you see that red thing? So when I move my brake pedal, let me show you, that pin has to come out, but it doesn't. So I'm moving my brake pedal, that pin doesn't come out, the pin is just like really stuck in there. You can probably move it by hand, but I got a new brake light switch. I'm just gonna put that on. So first, gotta disconnect the connector. Let me see if I can show you. It's kind of difficult, not much space over here. There's a connector. Just press the tabs and it comes out. And then let's see how this thing comes out of here. Let's see. I bet you just probably, is there a clip that's holding it? I don't know. I gotta figure it out, but let me just swap it really quick and then I'll show you the results. So I got the old brake light switch out. This is the new one. This is the old one. And that's the problem, it's just stuck in there. Let's see if I can push it out. I can push it out, but when I press it, it just stays there. This one, the new one, it just spring loaded, moves back and forth. So this is no good. The way to remove it is you gotta use a pick. Press on this, press on that, and it just comes out. So I'm gonna reinstall this, reinstall the connector, put the panel back on, and then we're gonna test it, see if it works. Alright, so here's the new sensor, reinstalled connector for it. Ooh, what am I looking at? Right there. So there's the sensor and connector for it. So I'm gonna press the brake pedal and you can see how it comes out. The plunger, it just comes out. So now I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna turn the ignition on and make sure the brake lights are working. Really? I will check that.
Might have been the key, like, I don't know.
Alright. What?
Put that stuff in the motor.
Yeah, we have to put it in. Shut it off for now. Let's put that thing in. Engine oil flush. Probably not. Here, I'll unlock it. Grab all that stuff, whatever you're gonna need.
Oh,
Oh, another repair day today. We'll try to clean the mass airflow sensor later too. See how she's gonna do.
Probably just spray it in there.
Nah, you have to take it out first, and then you have to clean it like when you have it in your hand.
Yeah.
You're gonna need the funnel probably. Hold on. Are you sure about it? I don't know. Дядька. Чукча. Oh, oh. There she goes. Keep going.
Putting the whole thing in there.
Alright, good. Alright, and we're gonna start it. Gonna try to see if we can fix this lifter noise. Let it run for like probably 10 minutes, whatever. I mean, she runs great. It's just that
Can you grab the oil cap up top?
yeah, I'll grab it as soon as you pull this thing off.
I've got it, man.
You sure? Move the oil pan.
The oil 1,000 times in the car. You're good.
Yeah, that drain plug is probably stripped a little. That's why it's kind of going difficult. Had that
Looks like
thing
they
too.
put fucking
RTV?
C's on it.
I don't know. They put.
Not C's, but
Oh, that's
oil
good.
Looks like clean oil, but it has
Clean oil, but yes, some of it is still water. Here, I'll grab the drain plug. Alright, good. Just wait until it's gone,
Oh yeah.
and then put it back
I
in.
can feel the dirt on my fingers.
Yeah. So we'll do that. Literally, we're doing the oil change right after probably 50 miles of driving on this car. So, just to make sure it's all cleaned up from all the milkshake. Oh yeah, sorry, I didn't open the cap.
I'll open it. That's not ready.
Open the cap.
Let's drain a little faster.
Yeah, put it there somewhere. Alright, good. Let it drain. Oh, shit. Yeah, this is all cleaned up. Yeah, open it up. Just gotta press it. There's only one on the right side. There you go.
Yeah.
Right there. So you probably stand on this side.
Yeah.
And I'll hold that thing for you.
Look at this, you're practicing teaching Al good right now.
Right?
This is a lug wrench.
This is that. That's that. Use it. Use it wisely. Alright, so we're changing oils, what, like after 50 miles, I guess?
I'd say about 20, 30, yeah, about say 30, 40 miles. plus a couple miles here and there, right?
Yeah.
Smaller rides. Yeah, 50 miles.
Can pour probably the whole thing in there.
Yeah.
They're probably gonna take the whole thing. Mobile One is really good oil. I always put it in my other Benz.
All the BMW forums I've read, everybody says
Yeah,
Mobil
full
1.
synthetic. Full synthetic, it's a lot better than conventional. I love full synthetic stuff.
I did read that once you switch to full synthetic, you don't want to switch back. Bounce around back.
I mean, you can, why not? Oil is oil, but I like this one because it has more and better additives than any other oils, like conventional ones. And yeah, I've just been using that and I'm loving that oil. Right, we're gonna put the oil additive in there. See how she's gonna do.
It's 5 quarts.
Put the whole additive in there.
Milliliters, or how many milliliters are in a quart?
No, just put. How much do you need to put? Probably the whole thing. Probably the whole. Yeah, just take the whole thing. Yeah, yeah. Nice. Hopefully, it quiets our lifter. Yeah, just kind of let it drip all the way.
I usually use Lucas, which plays a whole quart,
that's
but
right.
this stuff's not as thick as Lucas, which
Yeah.
might be better for the lifter itself.
We can probably put the rest of the trim for the engine here, all the covers look a little nicer. Oh yeah. Look at these 17-inch wheels. Oh, I'm digging it. It's from W210 Benz and it looks really sick on this car. Difference. These are 16s. Yeah, it's in the trunk. 17s. I also got the floor mats in great condition. Yeah. Well, then the good idea is to clean around here and also the front side, so the dirt doesn't keep getting in there. And then we'll try if it helps or not, you know. Might need a new freaking mass airflow, probably from the junkyard. Yeah, no, don't worry about this, just kind of like wipe it off.
I'm just gonna get the
edges
of that guy there. That's metal, so it's gonna be hard to wipe.
Oh yeah. Alright, go ahead. Start the baby up. New oil and we'll clean the mass airflow. Still making a noise. Oh, kinda goes away. Oh, kinda went away now. Oh. Yeah, just let it run.
Check engine's probably still on, but I'd have to reset it for that.
But it's actually running fine, is it? Let's see. Huh?
Hard to tell with that, guys.
I don't know. Check engine is still on, but it might be something else. Check engine. Some ticking, yeah. Well, gotta kind of let it circulate through. Just let it idle.
Sounds a lot better though.
It might take a little while. Nah, it's kind of hesitating a little bit. Mass airflow sensor is no good. Yeah, don't plug that thing. See? It's good, it's bad. Plug it to the, like, just leave it alone. Yeah. The cleanup didn't help, so we'll probably get a different one. Huh?
Is it knocking?
What knocking?
Maybe it started making that knocking noise. It's not knocking, it's pushing.
Nah, it's bad, it's bad. Actually, no, it's like hesitating with the mass airflow sensor plugged in. It's not happy. No, it's misfiring. Now it's running good. Well, fingers crossed that that oil additive is gonna fix the lifter, but it's hard to say. Let's hope.
Take the lifters out at some point.
Otherwise, we'll have to probably either remove the camshafts, you know. Yeah.